Here is how to turn off auto updates for apps on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, on your phone, open the Play Store. And once you're here, click on your profile picture that's on the top right. Then here scroll down and select Settings. Then click on Network Preferences. Over here, you can see the second option, Auto Update Apps. Just click on this. And now these are the different options we have. So currently, it auto updates all apps when connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. But now we have different options. So if you want to turn it off completely, select the last option, that's don't auto update apps. If you want to update only over Wi-Fi, select this option. And if you want to update with a certain amount of data, select this option. So these are all the options we have. But to turn it off completely, I'll select the last one and just go back. And you can see it's changed. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.